There is much beyond this world we are yet to explore, but we can only get there by continuing vital technical advancements at home. Nowhere propels us more into the future than the underground, creating a practical, connected and livable world, leaving our streets cleaner, clearer, and our lives more enriched. Playing a central role in the industry is the International Tunneling and Underground Space Association, expanding year upon year, helping to promote the extraordinary benefits the underground has to offer. The independent state of Singapore is one of the most densely populated areas in the world, with many long-term underground projects underway. The deep tunnel sewerage system of Singapore is helping long-term clean water needs through the collection, treatment, reclamation and disposal of used water from industries, homes and businesses, promising 100 years of maintenance-free life. Civil engineering construction in the state is expected to remain strong, including the construction of Stage 3 of the DTL line. The Pahang Selangor Raw Water Tunnel in Malaysia is an immense water tunnel project. Extensive excavation methods used included the near-zero rebound application of low-pressure sprayed fibre mortar. The drinking water supplies over 7 million people in the Kuala Lumpur city region. To duplicate the underground success of Line 1 MRT, Line 2 will have 13.5 kilometres of twin-tube tunnels running between 11 underground stations. The Chennai Metro is a rapid transit system serving Chennai City and is expected to reduce commuting time by 75% with 88 kilometres of tunnels. The Rotong Road Tunnel in northern India will complete excavation of 8.8 kilometres by 2017. China has a wealth of tunnelling and underground projects under construction. The Shenzhen Metro is underway with 10 transfer stations. In Nanjing, extensions to the metro system are supplementing the already extensive underground development. The Shanghai Metro extension opens in 2020 with the promised fastest subway train in China. In Beijing by 2020, the Chinese capital will boast 27 subway lines, totaling just under 1,000 kilometers. The new Guangzhou Tunnel in Tibet aims to address the problem of difficult operation and low efficiency, where the existing railway climbs over Mount Qinghai Nanshan. At 5 kilometers, the Tenmun Chai Lap Kok Link is Hong Kong's deepest, longest and largest subsea road tunnel, a reflection of this 5-kilometer dual 2-lane subsea tunnel project's scale and complexity, involving some of the world's largest ever tunnel boring machines. In Japan, the Hokuriku Shinkansen extension has several major tunnels, with snow countermeasures to accommodate the region's harsh winters, reducing travel time between Tokyo and Kanazawa to almost half. In Europe, the new hydroelectric plant Vendanova 3 in Portugal is a milestone in hydropower. With its variable speed technology, it enables a permanent flow of power from any lag in modern power via wind turbines. A joint venture between France and Italy will create a fast link between the cities of Lyon and Torino. The major challenge of the project is tunneling under the Alps for the Mount Cenis base tunnel. The Bosler Tunnel will form part of the new line between Wendlingen and Stuttgart, part of the Stuttgart 21 rail project. The Follo line is the largest transport project in Norway, with the country's longest railway tunnel of 20 kilometers. 4 separate TBMs will excavate the line between Oslo and Ski, allowing for faster and more trains on schedule. Moscow is undergoing a transit expansion that will see its metro stations increase by almost 40%, the second most congested city in the world. The expansion is both huge and badly needed. Thames Tideway project consists of 3 separate schemes: upgrading 5 major sewer works, construction of Thames Tideway tunnel at 24 kilometres, linking to the 6.7-kilometre Lee tunnel. Regeneration benefits will include new landscape gardens, parkland and housing developments. Boulder Creek is a run-of-river project, part of the Lillooet Hydro project, which will divert partial flows from the river through an intake structure directly into a tunnel or penstock to the turbines and generating equipment. Water flows through a 2.9-kilometre tunnel that will then be returned to the river. The Alaskan Way Viaduct Replacement Tunnel is a bore tunnel under construction in Seattle to replace the weakened and earthquake-damaged Alaskan Way Viaduct across the waterfront. The Central Subway is an extension of the Muni Metro under construction in San Francisco, California. With the addition of the Central Subway, the line is projected to become the most heavily ridden line in the Muni Metro system by 2030. In South America, Argentina's Sarmiento Railway project in Buenos Aires will be the country's longest ever TBM drive to replace a 35-kilometre length of railway. The project will eliminate level crossings, helping to avoid many accidents and loss of life. In Chile, traffic-congested Santiago is constructing the 9.3-kilometre-long, 3-lane double-deck cut-and-cover Americo Vespuccio Oriente tunnel. Once completed, it will cut the current hour-long car journey to 8 minutes. It will also regenerate reclaimed land with parks and recreational facilities. Of the 375-kilometre Awash to Weldia railway in Ethiopia, there are 6 tunnels, and holding through of a 1.53-kilometre tunnel was achieved just 1 year after construction began. The Strategic Tunnel Enhancement Program in Abu Dhabi is a huge gravity-driven hydraulic wastewater network tunnel and forms a crucial part of Plan Abu Dhabi 2030. In Saudi Arabia, the government has allocated a vast budget to implement a multi-modular transport system that includes new railways, incorporating many new road tunnels. The future of our underground world is literally groundbreaking and taking shape like never before, advancing our society, alleviating stress of travel, improving our lives, and updating services and facilities. The international tunneling and underground space industry is proud to be at the heart of the industry as it moves forward into another record-breaking year.